AI Cash Clone. Today we're taking a look at this little product which has just launched. I'm going to show you inside of the members area. We'll briefly look at the sales page and I'll also show you the person who is doing the training behind this product. Because like always, whenever I'm looking at any training, whether it's a software, whether it's done for you packages, master resale rights, etc., I don't just recommend it without going through this and having a look at it. So what you can expect in this video is I'll show you everything that is included within this training. I'll also share with you some bonuses and other bits, and I promise you it won't be a long video. So AI Cash Clone, what is it? Essentially, I'll show you this as well. Essentially, this is what it is. It is a step-by-step income system that teaches you how to use AI to build faceless Instagram and TikTok accounts that generate affiliate commissions. That is it. So if you're watching this on YouTube, there will be a link down below for you. Just click that. It will take you over to this article over on the website where we've gone through everything about this, the review video, the pricing, and lots more. So let me talk to you about the actual product, okay? So the training. This is the members area. This is exactly how it looks. This costs $11. Well, it's just under $12, okay? So in here, you've got a welcome section, basic stuff, okay? Then we're moving into the actual training. So we've got two parts to this, and then there's loads of bonuses, okay? So it will teach you how to create an AI cash clone of yourself. If you don't want to go down that route, it will also teach you how to create an AI avatar. And the training is done, pretty much 90% of the training is done by a lady, and I'll show you this now. So let's go over here. This is the lady. So doing a bit of research on, the person doing the training. This is the lady's account over on Instagram. So she's actually doing what is covered over in the training. Okay, so you can see 20k followers, over 1500 posts, and if we scroll down here, you can also see average likes per post, average comments, and if we come down here, you can see these are the videos getting loads of interaction. If we go over to the reels on the account, again, look, crazy, crazy numbers on here. Thousands of views, lots of commissions, and it's all done using AI. So the training is done by someone who is actually doing this method. I like that. So if I come back over here inside of the actual training, this is what it does, okay? So it goes over all of this. It shows you how to create these avatars, how to set them up. Then it covers opening up your different social accounts, whether it's TikTok or Instagram. It covers warming up your account. So that's in there. We've also got similar stuff down here. As you can see, loads of training. But then also as well, it doesn't just give you the training, it gives you these bonuses. So these bonuses are what are going to help you get the most from setting up this method, okay? So if we was to click on bonus one, this is the product finder guide. Then we've got the 215 captions. It's also got the traffic cheat sheet. It's got this, I like this, this is really cool. So I'm going to show you this, okay? So click here to get this. So it opens up over here. And this is basically a setup done for you template pack. So these are proven AI personas which are ready to use. Okay, so you can see, look, just pick one, customize it, and go. And if you scroll down here, you can see, look, we've got fitness and weight loss. We have then got make money online personas. We've got relationships, self-help and manifestation, health and wellness, hobby and skills, loads and loads of stuff in here. So basically, inside of this training, it will show you everything you need to know about creating your AI clone or AI avatar. It will show you how to set up your social media accounts the correct way. Then it will also give you products which you can promote as an affiliate within your link in bios over on Instagram or TikTok. It will give you the captions, it will give you the cheat sheet, it will give you the AI template packs, and there's loads more bonuses as well down here. You can see all of these are done inside of here. Now, in terms of this, I'll show you briefly the sales page as well, okay? We don't spend too long on these things. So if I come over here, this is the sales page. Now on here, it is a really long sales page, by the way. But what I like about this is, you can see there's lots of testimonials on here from students and people who have gone through the training and got results, and you can see they're all on here. And then when you go further down the page as well, there's more testimonials and feedback from people who've actually gone through the training and set this up. But essentially the whole thing is geared around AI, and once you set this up, it doesn't take that long to do. So it's 3 steps, okay? So step one is pick a product to promote. They cover this in the training, okay? Loads of different ways you can do this. You're not creating anything, you're not inventing anything, you're just picking something that already works and there's a demand for. After that, you create your AI person or persona. This it says only 10 to 20 minutes. Realistically, if you've never done anything like this, you're going to be looking at 20 minutes. But once that is done, you're pretty much good to go with this. And you can see on here, again, it goes through the different steps of this. Once you're done with this, it is then time to start uploading your content onto your different social media platforms. And that is it. It doesn't take long with this whole method. It's straightforward, it's simple, and the training is done by someone who is actively doing this method. And you'll see on here lots of testimonials from people who have gone through the training and had results using this method, okay? And then it compares it to other methods for earning online, whether it's blogging, YouTube, etc. So that over there is the sales page. As I mentioned, really long. It talks about all of the different bonuses that are included with this. So you've got the product finder blueprint, you've got the copy paste captions, we have got the traffic cheat sheet, the template packs, the scaling checklist, the troubleshooting guide, 30-day content calendar, and a 72-hour quick start. The other thing as well with this as well, and I'll show you this right now, is the money back guarantee. So where's it gone? Oh, here we go. Look, can I really get a refund if this doesn't work? It offers a 30-day money back guarantee, and it's even gone a bit a step further. It says if you don't make at least $500 in your first 30 days, they will refund you the money and you can keep the training. So it's not bad, is it? So overall, solid training, lots of value in here, ridiculously low price for this, and I'll show you the pricing with this as well. So let me come over to the article, and this article, by the way, is linked below. If you want to pick up this training, just simply click the link below. It'll take you over here, and there'll be links on the page for you to just simply go ahead and buy it. Okay, so like here, you just click here, and then you can buy it. So if I scroll down here, this is the price for it. So the front end product, so the whole training, this over here, all of this training, and this, will cost you $12.95. You get lifetime access to the training, the library, the strategies, and the blueprint. Now, there are a couple of upgrades. There's 3 upgrades in total, and I'll tell you about them. Upgrade 1 is the automation edition, it's $37. What will that do? You can see here, adds email automation to multiply your income. Do you need it for this method to work? No, you don't. This is just an option to automate it for you. Then there's upgrade 2, which is a done for you setup, and this is where the team will build everything for you. So you can see here they'll build the entire funnel for you, the opt-in page, automations, copy. So what that means is they will go ahead, they will find affiliate products for you, they will set up your opt-in, they'll set it all up, and they're charging $197 for this. And then the final one is this one over here, instant cash background, $67. This is 30 high converting backgrounds that help your AI personas content, go viral faster. As always, with any of these upgrades, do you need them for this method to work? No, you don't. These are just literally for people who want different options. So, for example, they're done for you. If you like the idea of this method, but you don't set it up yourself, they will do it for you. If you want, backgrounds and other bits, they will charge you for it, but you don't have to buy them. The front end is $12.95. And as you've seen in terms of the training, you're getting a lot there for your money. You really are. So everything on here is what is included in the training. Now, we spoke about the bonuses, all of these different bonuses down here. And then I was thinking, what can I do to help you get the most from this training? So this is all geared around earning online with AI. And it just so happens I have my own AI community over here on the platform called School. Now I charge $10 a month to get access to this, or $100 a year. If you go ahead and purchase AI Cash Clone, I will give you access to this completely for free, and it includes lifetime access. Inside of here, you can see we've got these different classrooms. We show you not just one method of earning with AI, we show you hundreds more. So for example, if we're going to ChatGPT, if we're going to this classroom over here, we show you, look, let's come up here, look, getting started. we've got a getting started video on here. We've got guides on here, checklists, worksheets, and prompts. We've got different ways you can monetize. So in that example, different ways you can make money with ChatGPT, prompts, how to use the agents in here. There's just loads of ways you can monetize ChatGPT. We've also got it for Google AI, Midjourney, and Nano Banana. But then we've taken it a step further, where we're now also starting to share how you can set up AI ASMR accounts over on different social media accounts. We give you the prompts and loads more. And then one that we added about a month ago was this, which is whereby you can actually get paid to train AI. Perfect for beginners, no experience needed. Someone in our community actually went through this and took action. I'll show you this as well. Outliner AI. So you can see on here, I've done a few tasks with them and they've already been paid. The hourly rate is $17.50 for this. Overall, would definitely recommend it. That there, Outliner AI, feel free to go ahead and Google it. That is just one platform where you can do really basic things where you're training AI and get paid for it. Inside of here, we've got loads more and side hustles, and you get that absolutely for free when you purchase AI cash clones. So look, that is it. Any questions, please let me know. I'll put a link to this down below if you want to check it out more and pick it up yourself. Overall, for the money, pretty decent. I'll see you soon.